What is up, guys? I'm Shemaine, and welcome back to the Mirror Table, where what you bring to the table is a reflection of you. And today we are bringing my top 5 upcycles to the table. So these are the top 5 upcycles that you guys have viewed the most. So we're going to jump right in with the 5th most viewed video, and that is this cute black dress. I found some studs at the thrift store and I wanted to elevate the dress. I made the dress and I needed a little something extra. So I added these studs that I found, and I found it was like finding gold, and I found them and stuck them all over the dress, and you guys loved it. You ate it up. This video got over 10,000 views. I was so happy at the time to get 10,000 views. It was a fun, easy upcycle. I was so happy to find all of these gold studs, and I have put those studs all over everything since, and I have plenty left. So that is number 5 out of my top 5. Now let's go to number 4. My 4th most watched thrift flip is this video that I created, a denim jacket inspired by Area NYC. So this jacket was created with like the rope-like pattern in the front, and I thought it was really cute, really cool. I just took a thrifted denim jacket and some thrifted jeans and really created this look, and you guys loved it. So this video got about a little over 11,000 views, and it's fun to wear and fun to style. It's so cute. It can be styled with so many different things. Actually, I'm going to probably do a styling video on all of my thrift flips and kind of restyle them for the fall. But I really love this jacket, and I'm glad you guys tuned in and watched. And let's see what the 3rd most watched video is next. And my 3rd most watched upcycle video is this cute camouflage skirt and army green corset. I upcycled these with an army shirt and a pair of army fatigue pants and created this cute outfit that you guys just ate up. 13,000 views. Thank you so much for watching, but it was fun to make. This is a cute upcycle that you can create with any type of military items that you find in the thrift store. I live near a military base, and I often find these items at the thrift store, so it was cool to make this a really nice streetwear outfit. So you guys, if you see any type of army fatigues in the store, go ahead and upcycle something fun. You can do hats, you can do jackets, and skirts and corset tops. So feel free to just experiment and upcycle something nice and fun and cool, and it just works out so perfect for streetwear. Now this brings us to my 2nd most watched video. You guys tuned in, and this was viewed over 15,000 times. That is awesome. And it is an upcycle of a wedding gown. Check it out.
We wear these beautiful gowns for only one day in our lives, but what do we do with them after the wedding, after the new house, after the babies, and in my case, after the divorce? We thrift flip them, of course. Let's get it. I love the Yard dress by Kate. I believe I can pull off this look if I cut the bottom of the dress off, add elastic to the top and the hem, and add a side slit. Then I can use the bodice to create a cute bustier. Let's cut this baby in half and get started. So the Yard dress is going to be an outfit by itself, so I'm going to need something to go with the bustier. So I looked at the Kate Spring 2023 collection, and I saw this cute skirt, and look, I have these cute faux snakeskin pants that I thrifted. I'm going to make that into the skirt. I realized I should add a jacket. I'm going to upcycle this men's jacket by adding some cut details that will reveal some negative space. That will make the jacket more feminine and fashionable. Here's the final look.
You see all the fun you can do with upcycles. So I took a wedding gown that was no longer usable, and I created a whole new outfit. I created a dress and a corset, and then I added in some other pieces, and I added in a jacket that I upcycled. And this video was so much fun, and you guys tuned in and loved it, and thank you so much for that. Upcycling is just a joy of mine, and I want to inspire you guys to get pieces out of your closet and see them in new and unique different ways. So that was number 2. Now it's time for my most watched upcycle ever since my channel has been around, which is a year and a half or 2 years. You guys tuned in and watched this video to the point that it got 360,000 views. My first viral video ever. Collectively on all my social media, this video got me over 500,000 views. So excited about that. And it is this one right here. This thrift flip right here, we're about to eat it and leave no crumbs. Let's get it.
These rope cutout wide leg jeans by Area NYC cost $1,095. It has a very intricate rope cutout in front and heart stitching in back. I went to the Goodwill outlet and I found some brand new jeans, and I'm going to use these to make the rope detail in the front of the jeans. I found 2 different shades in the same brand so I can make the alternating shade rope pattern. I created a pattern by cutting oval shapes out of printer paper. Then I cut the oval in half and arranged the pieces like a snake pattern. I taped the pieces together, then laid on my denim fabric and cut out my rope design. I snipped all of my curves before I serged the edges of all of my pieces. Then I started arranging out my pieces to make sure that my rope pattern is going to lay nice and flat on my jeans. Then I pressed the edges so I can prep for my top stitching. I'm going to edge gauge and top stitch on all of my pieces. Now I'm going to sew the rope pattern onto the jeans, and this takes me here. As you can see, my rope pattern is laying nice and flat and it's looking really good. And so now I am going to prep to create the heart stitching on the back of the pants. I cut out a heart shape with craft paper, and I am going to trace the heart onto the pants and then top stitch the heart shape. Now I'm going to try on the pants for fit and look for a little gold detail to put on the front, and here's the final look.
Were so much fun to make, and they're quite a challenge, but I did the pattern for you guys. I uploaded a tutorial. You can watch it right here if you haven't seen it, and make these jeans yourself from the tutorial. But they were fun. So Area NYC was just a great inspiration. I did show you guys a jacket earlier and then the jeans to match, but just a fun outfit to style, and I just look forward to wearing these for the rest of my life. They took a lot of work, so I'm going to wear them summer, I'm going to wear them winter, I'm going to wear them fall, just whenever I can. So that was my top 5 most watched upcycles. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. It's nice to reflect back. I'm going to be doing some shorts for the month of October. I'm going to do shorts of all of my old upcycles from this past year. And as I'm watching some of the fashion shows, I'm trying to get new ideas to create more upcycles for 2024. I hope you guys go ahead and check out some of my fashion shows and get inspired from that. And I want to also do a video on all the supplies you're going to need so you can do my upcycles with me for next year. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like more content like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Be a part of my Good Vibe tribe. Learn to sew, learn to upcycle your clothing, have some fun on my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you again in the next one. Bye.